Our most basic common link is that we all inhabit this planet. We all breathe the same air. We all cherish our children's future, and we are all mortal. John F. Kennedy. So as I read this, I'm thinking about how there are so many different people on this planet. We all share the same space. And I love this line about the fact that we're all mortal, that we're all not going to be here forever. And so it's important that we make and save and prepare for the future of our planet.
It has to start somewhere. It has to start sometime. What better place than here? What better time than now? Rage Against the Machine. This is very compelling because it's talking about the beginning of change. And you know that change is sometimes inevitable because systems that are oppressing people or holding people down can't stay in place forever. But somebody has to take that action, those first steps, to get it started, to get the ball rolling, as they say. And it ends with the questions: what better place than here? What better time than now? There is no better place or time than now. It's up to us to take those first steps to initiate change.
Hey, how's it going, Mr. Spencer?
Mr. Person.
Excellent.
Yeah, good to see you.
So what quote did you pick?
Well, I have this quote here from Rage Against the Machine, and basically it talks about when you want to start social change, it takes some real initiative and some bravery to get it off the ground. Because it's very easy when a movement is already going to say, oh, hey, like I should join in on that event, or these people are talking about, getting together to protest something, like I'll go to that.
Sure.
But to be the person who actually starts it, that can be difficult, but it's extremely important.
Sure, absolutely. And when my quote, I picked a John F. Kennedy quote, and the thing that I find interesting is to piggyback on what you're saying is that while we need to be able to make that change, we have to take the steps to do that. It's so important that we understand that we're not going to be here forever, and that the decisions that we make need to be looking into the future, and we need to understand that it's not just about the present, but how are we going to leave this environment for future generations,
for our children,
for our
grandchildren.
Exactly. So that takes a lot of fortitude, a lot of strength, and a lot of preparation. And I don't know, I just thought this was a really passionate quote, and I especially love this part, where he says, "And we are all mortal." I just love that thought of the fact that just life is not forever,
Yep.
So we have to prepare. So,
all right, so we're going to exchange quotes.
Absolutely.
Find ourselves new partners and
Excellent.
repeat this process.
Thanks so much.